How to remove all corrupt files from your computer and repair them. PC Tips, Part 4. Click on Search bar and type CMD. Run as administrator. Click Yes. Now type sfc/scano. Enter. Now wait until it is completed 100%. Now you can see Windows has automatically found the corrupt files and successfully repaired them. It is the easiest way to find the corrupt files and repair them. Thanks for watching. Do follow and like this video for more tips. If you want to see the previous videos on PC tips, then you can see here.